Welcome back to our Exploring Things YouTube channel with another special video. Today, we're diving into the world of online business, where the potential to rake in massive profits knows no bounds. If you're ready to turn your passion into profit and your dreams into reality, then you've come to the right place. Without further ado, let's explore the top 5 online businesses that have the potential to make you too much money. List 1 is e-commerce empire. Kicking off our list is the ever-thriving realm of e-commerce. With the power of the internet at your fingertips, creating your own online store has never been easier. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, trendy fashion items, or niche products, the possibilities are endless. From dropshipping to fulfillment by Amazon, e-commerce offers a myriad of opportunities to cash in on consumer demand and skyrocket your earnings. Second one is digital product domination. Next up, we have the lucrative world of digital products. From ebooks and online courses to software and templates, digital products offer a scalable business model with minimal overhead costs. With the right expertise and marketing strategy, you can create and sell digital products on virtually any topic imaginable. So whether you're a master chef sharing your secret recipes or a coding whiz offering programming tutorials, there's ample room to capitalize on the digital marketplace. Third one is affiliate marketing mastery. Coming in at number 3 is the ever-popular realm of affiliate marketing. By partnering with companies and promoting their products or services, you can earn hefty commissions for every sale generated through your unique affiliate link. With the power of content creation and strategic promotion, affiliate marketing can be a highly lucrative venture, especially in lucrative niches such as health, wealth, and lifestyle. So, whether you're a social media influencer, blogger, or YouTube personality, affiliate marketing offers a lucrative opportunity to monetize your audience and rake in those commission checks. Fourth one is freelance freedom narrator. At number 4, we have the freedom of freelance entrepreneurship. With the rise of remote work and the gig economy, freelancing has become a viable option for individuals seeking autonomy and flexibility in their careers. Whether you're a graphic designer, copywriter, programmer, or digital marketer, there's no shortage of freelance opportunities available online. By leveraging platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, you can showcase your skills, connect with clients worldwide, and command premium rates for your expertise. Fifth one is subscription service supremacy. Last but certainly not least, we have the subscription service supremacy. From streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify to subscription boxes for everything from beauty products to gourmet snacks, subscription-based businesses are booming. By offering valuable content, curated experiences, or must-have products on a recurring basis, you can build a loyal customer base and enjoy predictable, recurring revenue streams. So whether you're delivering exclusive content, personalized recommendations, or hand-picked goodies, the subscription model offers endless possibilities for profit and growth. Thanks for tuning in. Be happy and take care. If you like the video, please do subscribe our channel, like, share, and do comment. Keep dreaming big and hustling hard.